My life. Legend, this needs to be watered over here. Come here.
Good.
Of watering.
Look.
Right here. This plant needs to be watered.
Look. Look.
This is my watering child. Okay, that's enough. All right. All right. Oh, this peace lily needs to be watered. Water. All right, that's the ease part. I'm SC Happily. SC Happily and Family. Fun gardening. Now the real work has to be done. Atlanta Braves, if you've been watching, maybe you haven't been watching, but my channel, I am diverse, definitely. I love sports, all sports. That's why y'all, I've been posting my videos for my memories, hoping that the Braves win. But Legend is my personal water boy today because I don't want to water. I don't want to water. Y'all don't have time. I only want to film. So crazy. So I started yesterday. This is a sad time period in my life. I don't like putting my garden to sleep. I don't even like the reality of things not looking pretty. But I did move some things where I planted some plants here. So it looks a little bit different. And Legend is coming out here and water. Legend, can you water this right here? That's my bee balm. Can you water that bee balm? So I just planted this. I'm about to wear Legend out because he about to be the water boy. I literally don't want to deal with a water hose or anything, y'all. So that's what I did yesterday. I started taking some things out of the pots. I took some plants inside of the house, which you just seen. And besides that, yeah, today is going to be my caladiums. I actually am, I'm about to just dig. Let me just jump into it. It's just digging, removing, watching things. Oh, then it gets too cold. It's time. You have to go. The other container had a mum in it, but I am taking my geraniums in this year. So it looks like, all right, let's find you a container home. Oh, I have one planted inside of this container, so I'll find a matching container. Oh, here it is. Matching container. And then I have two of those. I have two of these, then two of those geraniums. Perfect. All right, what you watering now? Okay. Now these are my dahlias. Those will die back and come back next year. All right, thank you, baby.
What's a bee?
And everything else, yeah, y'all, it's just gonna stand the ground. I don't wanna. I really don't wanna. But I don't like the cold, so I have to Legend. All right, one out. Legend has taken the camera. Legend.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry. You're still doing it.
Good.
So I got one out the ground. Here comes our water boy. I think I'm going to decide to let him get the water hose. I think that'll be fair. Legend's not as tired as I am. I've been going.
Good.
Don't water those plants yet. Oh, he can't help himself.
Good.
Here's an example of a container, lamb's ear, evergreen with some ajuga. All of this needs to go into the ground. We're gonna switch containers. That's the hole right there. take some of this dirt out. And this is gonna be as dry as all get out, because who been watering? Not me. Root bound, everything. Let's see. Break off the sugar. Put that in the middle. Lamb's ear. I would love to have a lamb's ear right here. Lamb's ear is going to be. Lamb's ear doesn't require a lot of water either. That's actually perfect. See if I can put this back up in here. This is work. More work than I want to be doing. Real small, real simple. Another elephant ear. So I just placed the lamb's ear there, lamb's ear here. I'll come up in here and just recover all of that up. Legend plays over here all the time to make sure for the winter time, I'll make sure I add some more winter protection, which I may decide to do mulch. Who knows? And so next year, the juga hopefully will grow and fill in. I'm going to move that for next year. I just placed it there because I have limited areas of sun. And so, y'all, yeah, I'm going to have to take care of that. What is this specifically? I wonder. Whatever it is, I don't remember specifically if it dies back or not, so it'll just go downstairs in the basement just in case, and I'll plant something else inside. What's going on, Legend? You good? You a part of the house? You holding my little house? You always taking stuff.
Yeah.
Legend, we gotta clean up. You see all this? All of this is what it looks like. Y'all, oh, it sounds like paper. Paper. It's fall. Fall. So what I decided to do is, since I had a lantana in the center, I'm going to take this lantana out. Both of these are the same. So I'm going to place one on one end, the other one on that. And then I'll place this right here in the center. That'll grow. Fill in next year. One down. One to go. This is dangerous. Legend plays in the rocks. This is his little project. He breaks bricks. That's the fun part of life. Legend keeps me young. All of the ants. Pull that brick over there. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Oh, my child makes my life hard. And so there we have one lantana, lamb's ear, lantana, green cypress of some kind that will match with the 3 cypress on the inside. And I have a little hydrangea down there. This coleus, I might as well move that all out. Oh, spread all this out, whatever the case may be. Some sedum, and that is a non-edible blueberry that I have limbed up. So that's what that area looks like. Preparing for winter, we have our evergreens. Everything else will die back. I'm bringing my geraniums in. Those are capable of surviving being winterized. And this is my today's stash. I'll add these with my stash that's already in the house. And for the most part, like for instance, yeah, my poor babies. Oh, I have to bring these containers in the inside there. When I get some help. Those are pretty heavy. Or maybe they're dry and I can do it. But that's going to complete today's project. Everything else is looking good. I probably want to come in here and split. Yeah, I'm about to split that right now. Let's do it. Doing it this way, you will lose some of the plant, but it works for me because I know exactly how much I want to leave into the ground. And there I have it. Everything, and it will rebound. I'm sorry. Let's see how much did we lose. Oh, well, that still have a root, but if anything, I just split it inside, and this is the only thing that's not attached. Good old roots. Yeah, I'm gonna plant this somewhere over here. Let's figure it out. Those two there, 2 corbels there. Then I have like a random corbel, randoms. I think, yeah, I have to keep doing some rearranging. This looks a mess, y'all. Next, I am taking this wrong size for this container out. This container can stay outside in the wintertime.
Ow.
This is a little bit better. From smaller to much thicker. Everything's out of there. I'm actually going to bring it up higher. Now, the normal me will just tuck these two evergreens. That one I'm training up to look tree form. And that one is not quite there, but they're both ball shaped. I would normally place, that's the one, hold on, can y'all see? Yeah, it's green. Both of those there, but I actually need to do the right thing and just place them in the center of these chairs. So therefore, I have some structure there and remove these salvias out the way. All right, so now I have some structure and both this. This is another evergreen that's going to grow really, really tall that I don't have to put in the ground. It's going to stay there for that, the extra sense of structure behind. But that's what I did. And then I have, okay, Papa. And then I have planted those salvias up in here. Hey, so I don't think, okay, Papa, we about to go in the house. All right. So, yeah, y'all, that's just what that garden bed is looking like right now. And then if I do get that sense of purple that comes up in here, then maybe it'll match. Maybe it won't match with those colors. But we're putting the garden to sleep. So I have one dahlia sitting here. And I have one over there in that corner. I dug a hole here. And I'm about to place the other dahlia in the inside. The butterfly bushes, they're still trying to push out, y'all. Oh gosh, I'm happy. This is the garden. I am so happy. Next year, I am looking forward to those blooms. I placed my other punkster white butterfly bush in the ground. Now that's a correct right there that I placed in the ground. But besides that, y'all, and I just got two coleus over here that needs to go into my garage. I'm going to try to I'm going to do both options. I'm going to try to propagate these and place some in the water. And then I'm going to just try to keep it alive. Everything else out here, no, that's just enough. But today I placed this abelia. It's a Miss Lemon abelia. I placed that in the ground right there. And I did brew this container right here for a little bit of extra color. Oh, those are just too pretty. Place those seeds. These things seed prolifically. You see all down there. They'll be everywhere. All right, y'all. Let me go. My papas is. Oh, it's time to go. See y'all in my next one. Bye-bye. And y'all, yeah, that's enough work for me to do. All right, compost complete.